The Holistic Culinary Nutrition Certificate workshops are unique because they're geared towards educating students on the therapeutic properties of food. The classes provide a practical, hands-on approach to holistic cooking while adapting to suit both experienced and novice cooks. The benefit of taking these workshops is that they provide the building blocks to guide your clients or even just your family, not only on what to eat, but how to prepare it. Classes are taught by registered holistic nutrition professionals and professionally trained chefs like myself. Anyone can benefit from taking the Holistic Culinary Certificate workshops, from current CSNN students, graduates, culinary professionals, holistic entrepreneurs, just to name a few. The workshops will be delivered online by instructors within a kitchen, where they will demonstrate various culinary techniques and the fundamentals of natural nutrition. There are no prerequisites required. If you love to cook and love to eat, anyone interested can join.